Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Google application, and now just launch the Play Store application. Here in the search pool type the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app. Here click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now just as can you see, we got here the temperature of our battery, that's 33 degrees. So also you can see here another information about your battery level, the health, and more info. Also you can see here the model of your device, the Android version, and more another information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.